Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope everybody is stay at home and good passing time in home, or even not. Today, I will teach chapter 5 of second part in chemical bond. Second part is totally name is ionic bond. Previous class I was learned preparation of ionic bond, such as octet role, valence electron, and inert gas, and definition and example. I hope everybody is complete their homework. Let's the topics. Ionic bond. First question: what is example of ionic bond? Why C of ionic bond? Ionic bond, one example is heavy famous, that is table salt. Example of sodium chloride, then that is form of NaCl. What is how NaCl is formed of ionic bond? That part is today class. First one, what is ionic bond? Ionic bond. The attractive force by attractive force between of cation or anion which exchange, which is formed exchanging of electron there's ion are held together is called ionic bond. Then what is ionic bond? The attractive force between of cation or anion. One is positive ion, one is negative ion, is held together, is connected. Which bond is created? That bond is called ionic bond. Then what is condition of ionic bond? So let's the topics. What is condition of ionic bond? What is condition of ionic bond? Number one condition: one substance, one element is metal, and other element is non-metal. That is first condition. One element is metal, such as example of sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, etc. And other element is non-metal, such as carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. Second condition: metal always electron release and non-metal always electron is accept. Number 3 condition: Why metal electron release? Why non-metal always electron release accept বা receive? Main reason behind this tendency to octet rule. To octet rule. Tendency to octet rule or inert gas structure, inert gas electronic structure, electronic structure. Number 4 number condition, the metal electron release, metal becomes, when electron release, metal becomes positive or cation, and non-metal when electron receiving then created anion become anion. Number 5 number condition, cation, this cation and anion connected together is act electrostatic force. That force is known as, but that force is created between of two atoms is known as of ionic bond. That is condition of condition of ionic bond, very important. And then every part, that is part is written by theory of ionic bond. So then example of ionic bond, then everybody known as condition but written by paper. Then but remember it, again one element is metal and other element is non-metal. Metal always electron release and non-metal always electron accept, tendency to octet rule or inert gas structure. Metal becomes always is positive for cation and non-metal becomes anion when electron releasing. That's positive and negative ion is connected together, that is for electrostatic forces act. Electrostatic forces act is between of two ions, which bond is created, that bond is called as ionic bond. So then ionic bond example, sodium chloride. Example, first one, electroconfiguration of sodium. Sodium is everybody knowing as sodium is metal, chlorine is non-metal. So when metal non-metal is called as ionic bond. Every compound is known as first one metal and second compound is non-metal. That's compound is ionic compound. Besides this, every salt, maximum salt is ionic bond. Remember it. So sodium electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Then chlorine electron configuration 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Then sodium is last shell present in 1 electron and chlorine last shell present in 7 electron. So sodium tendency to octet rule, last cell 1 electron is released, then chlorine is needed, 1 electron become to octet rule, receiving of 1 electron from metal. So it is created sodium 1 electron release become a octet rule and created metal sodium plus, and which inert gas is created of sodium plus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and inert gas structure is neon structure. Besides chlorine That's electron of metal and receiving of non-metal, chlorine plus electron and become of Cl minus and created to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. It is created to argon. That is structure of ionic bond. And then summation of ions, sodium plus Cl, electron cross and becomes of ions Na plus and Cl minus, which is connected to positive and negative ion together and created two NaCl. First part of ionic structure. Second part will be diagram. Everybody knows the ionic bond NaCl. Then diagram. Diagram. Sodium structure. Sodium number 2 electron, first orbit, second orbit 8 electron, and third orbit 1 electron. And then chlorine first orbit 2 electrons, second orbit 8 electron, and last one electron is 7. When last one of sodium 1 electron is releasing from 2 chlorine atom, and chlorine atom receiving from electron and created of cation and anion will be structure sodium 1 electron release. The first structure 2 electron, second structure was 8 electron, and last electron is release and become a positive ion. Chlorine, when electron receiving of last shell and 8 electron fill up, chlorine and second orbit 8 and last electron before the 7 electron, when electron release from sodium. Now when electron received from sodium and created to 8 electron, and chlorine is also negative ion. When that is sodium plus and chlorine minus is attracted whole together and created to ionic bond. That is example. Now what is theory of ionic bond? What is theory? Every first one I will write condition of ionic bond. That is part is that is theory of ionic bond of NaCl. Given the question how NaCl is bond, how NaCl is bond of ionic bond, how NaCl is created of bond. First one, condition of ionic bond, that is theory. I say it, sodium is metal, chlorine is non-metal. Sodium 1 electron release become of Na plus ion, and chlorine electron receive become of Cl minus ion. When Na plus and Cl minus goes together but attracted together, it is created to ionic bond. That is structure. It is finished. I given of HW. Everybody, it is complete. HW, KCl, lithium fluoride, sodium fluoride. How KCl, lithium fluoride, sodium fluoride is created to bond. Is finished. It is okay. I hope everybody it is passing a good time.